Tom and Anna are watching TV. They are very focused.
This show is awesome. I don't want to miss a thing.
Same here. It's really exciting tonight. I like this part the most.
The story is getting really good.
And now the final scene.
Wow, that was intense.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
I'm going to get some water.
Okay, I'll come with you. We can watch more tomorrow night.
Breaking news starts now.
Oh, they left the TV on. Let's wait and see. I won't say anything right now.
Stay tuned for more news tonight. More details will come in the next report.
Not just the TV, about the lights, too. Yes, I see that now.
I'm really thirsty right now. The cold air feels nice. This water is perfect, so refreshing. I feel better now.
That's wasting electricity.
Yes, that uses more power.
Such a mess.
The power usage keeps rising. Yes, we are using too much power. The hallway light is still on. I need to finish my report. Why is it so slow? That's strange. Oh no, power's gone.
Tom, Anna, come here, please.
What happened?
Electricity is wasted.
We're wasting electricity. Oops, I left the TV on.
When devices stay on, they waste power. This causes trouble for the family.
Yes, Mom, it causes problems for the family.
I know, sweetie.
I'm really sorry, Mom. Dad, I will turn them off.
Thank you, Tom.
I turned off the TV. The fridge is closed.
Good job, Tom.
You're so responsible. The lights are off.
The power is back on.
Good job.
That's the right thing to do.
Yes, that was the right thing to do.
That's right. Saving energy starts at home. We all share this responsibility.
Let's be careful. Yes, every time.
That's a good lesson for all of us.
We will save electricity. We promise.
That's good.
If you learned something about saving electricity in this video, please share it with your friends and family.
Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more informative and helpful videos like this.
Don't forget to like this video
And leave a comment.
if you have any suggestions for our next topic.
Your support helps us create more educational stories for you.
Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.
Thank you. Goodbye.